In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change fan speed any graphics card using MSI Afterburner. This tutorial assumes you can adjust fan speed through software settings. If your fan speed is controlled by a physical knob or switch, this method won't apply. Begin by locating the button for controlling fan speed on the MSI Afterburner software. It's a button that appears after changing the layout. The button's location and appearance might differ on your computer. Look for options mentioning fan speed or cooling. Click on the button to adjust the fan speed. The video shows setting it to 60%. You can adjust it based on your preferences. Just confirm the new fan speed by clicking a tick or apply button. This might be vary depending on your software and device. These are general steps based on the device I have. The exact method for controlling fan speed will vary depending on your computer's model and software. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.